gratitude to all the teachers and the principals of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, New Lyell. The teachers are very helpful and generous. I feel fortunate enough for my son, who was very shy earlier and was an introvert, but has now become very interactive and confident. He has learned many life skills that the school provides.
A different thing about the lovely public school is that every child is getting the opportunity.
The virtual classroom were a combination of structure and freedom. They have expanded our children's creativity and worldview. We are proud to be a part of this amazing institution.
During lockdown, when the whole country was closed, shops, markets, malls, all were closed. Schools were also closed. But teachers were doing hard work. They were delivering the lectures, they were taking classes, but the mode of taking classes was changed. The system of classes, education system was totally changed. They adopted a new method, online classes, delivering lectures through online classes. They were solving academic issues, problems, queries of students during that time, that difficult time even.
The past few months have been hard for all of us. As a parent, I was worried about my ward studies, but school management and teachers gave their best. They found new ways to check in on and connect with students. The new lesson plans, devising and recording instructional videos, preparing materials, all these practices done by teachers made the remote learning easy for our kids. While there have been many challenges, I am impressed by and grateful for your efforts and your hard work.
Teachers adopted the technology and made the optimum use of it. As a parent, we had never thought that online classes to be so much productive and interesting. The utter dedication of teachers while teaching can be clearly felt. Teachers engage our children in the studies as well as in other activities. RPM School believes in generating the wisdom, knowledge and cultivating tradition of excellence in its education system.
Lovely Public School is a blessing to every child studying here. For me, it has been blessings to us as me and my sister, we were the pass outs of the LPS school. Now it's the time of our upcoming generation.
They not only provide online classes but also listen to each and every doubt and satisfy it. The use of work method during Zoom class leads to better understanding of chapters. Videos and notes provided to students are up to the mark. Not only this, teachers also encourage students to speak in English, which I really appreciate and admire.
The way teachers connected to the students was a satisfying experience to me as a parent. And at the same time, it made learning a pleasurable experience for my daughter.
जो भी करना है अभी करो, इतिहास को तुम अपना रचो, जो भी करना है अभी करो, आगे बढ़ना है बढ़ो.
Once again, thank you so much for all the staff members and the principals.
Thank you LPS New Lalpur for your tremendous efforts.
Thanks to all once again for making our child good in everything starting from the very beginning. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
I value the efforts made by each and every staff member of RPM Public School. Thank you so much and all the very best.
At last, I would like to wish good luck to the school. Keep growing and have a bright future. Thank you.
I am very obliged, very thankful to the school management and school in charge, Mrs. Sogi ma'am, and all the class teachers for their hard work, for their consideration. Thank you very much.
Once again, I thank Principal Sir, in charge ma'am, and all the teachers for all the efforts they have done.
Hats off to the class teacher, Mrs. Sanjana ma'am, who really did a great job.
Thank you so much, LPS family.